sorry, a bit what we call inaccurate from the phone, because yeah, the lighting from my shadow and actually it's the same. It is a bit, not accurate. Hi all, today I'm gonna show you how the LDR, LM35 and push button works with the buzzer. This is buzzer and this is push button, and this potentiometer for the LCD. This LCD that I use for the lux meter, and this is the LM35 and the LDR, as you can see here. For this project I use 10k resistor, and yeah, I only use the 10k resistor. Okay, first is I gonna show you how the push button works with the buzzer. Okay. In reality, that's when the refrigerator is not closed, the buzzer needs to give the aural warning sounds. This we can we can see this push button as that used at the door of the refrigerator. When the door is closed, the buzzer will not give the aural warning sounds like this. When I push the button, this mean the what we call the refrigerator door is closed. Yeah, this no. And when I let the push button go, it will give the warning sound. That's how the push button works. And as we all know that when the refrigerator door is open, they will outside like that enter the refrigerator. That means we can sense that the door of the refrigerator is already open when the light is enter the refrigerator by using the LDR, and this is LDR. For this project, I set the buzzer will give the aural warning sounds when the light is read more than 80 lux. So when the refrigerator is closed, the light lux will be decreased. For example, yes, this will happen when I close the LDR. And when I move away my hand from the LDR, this means the refrigerator is already open and the aural warning sound will be illuminated, as you can see here. And for the LM35, of course, for the logic way that we are thinking that when the refrigerator is open, the temperature will be increased, and it will increase until it reach the room temperature. So when the temperature increase, it will give an aural warning sound like this. Yeah, when I touch it, the temperature will be increased for the limit that I already set, and you can set it for another value for the, and of course we set it to the room temperature to give the aural warning sounds. That's all for my video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, you all.